Good day everyone, my name is Baby Gimba and your topic is all about aspect of rotation. Ang aspect of rotation ay may iba't ibang factor. Consider ito sa pag-manage at pag-harvest which is the timber. Service rotation, a kind of rotation which principally control the supply and certain services in the forest. So, ang service rotation ay nag-focus sa pag-manage ng forest at nagpo-provide specific service which is the timber and recreational and also watershed and meron silang two types of service rotation. Ito na yung silvicultural rotation and physical rotation. Silvicultural rotation, a type of rotation through which a species return to satisfactory vigor of growth and reproduction on the given site. So, ang silvicultural rotation ay is a type of rotation na kung saan ang isang species ay nagre-return ng satisfactory vigor and at reproduction sa isang given site. So, ibig sabihin na cycle of cutting and planting tree to remain the healthy forest. So, hindi naman pwede na magkakat lang tayo dahil ma-over harvest tayo. Kaya kailangan din natin magtanim. Physical rotation, a type of rotation that considered with a natural list of life of species on the given site. So, ang physical rotation, ito na yung mga puno na hindi pinuputol. Hinahayaan lang nila na hanggang sa mamatay depende sa kanilang lifespan at kondisyon sa isang area na yon. Then, ang halimbawa lang nito ay yung mga protected area and also yung mga parks and sometimes tree planted along the road sides.